Ever wondered what it really feels like to solve a crime? At Mody University, forensic science isn't just theory, it's an experience. Step into advanced forensic labs where you don't just learn, you investigate. From analyzing fingerprints to decoding real evidence, every session puts you in the role of a forensic expert. You'll be trained in industry-level laboratories, work with modern forensic technologies, and explore real case-based simulations that challenge your thinking beyond textbooks. But it doesn't stop there. Here, you're encouraged to do research, experiments, and develop skills that actually matter in the real world. These skills can shape your career in crime investigation, law enforcement, and forensic research. Because at Mody University, we don't just teach forensic science, we prepare you to live it.